So remember this picture, IHS, this like, couple thousand-year-old symbol that no one really knows what it means. I know what it means. When you upside down backwards and flip it, it means holy black hole of shit. Okay? It's free energy depiction. It's one plane of 32 magnets. Okay? Just like this is a free energy wheel. It's hidden in plain sight. Okay? Now, what I'm blown away by is that the alphabet. Okay? Your little alphabet here, okay? Total is 351. Total is 351. Now, I wanted to find 351 in this, and I couldn't find it right away. But I went to the bathroom, and I started talking about a story I thought about yesterday while biking to work. I thought about a fictitious Star Wars character named General Grievous, and how he has 6 arms. He has 2 arms, but they break into like a top half arm and a bottom half arm. Okay? So I thought about it. I said, look at that. If General Grievous has... My right is his left. There's a left arm and a right arm. Okay? And they split into a 5 and an X. And they split into a 6 and a 13. If you add up 5, 6, 1, 13, X, and V, you get 40. Now, 40 is important because there's 351 digits in our alphabet. Okay? 40 plus 311 is 351. 76 plus 235 is 311. Look at this, guy. Look at this. Not only is this the center of your 8-bit cell or your 9x9, okay? Look at what's happening. It is not balanced, okay? It's off to the side because it is representing an eddy current. Now, what eddy current are we talking about? Are we talking about water or magnetism? The relationship between magnetism and copper, to be exact. You're creating a black hole of holy shit because you have a 40 going around a 777. Or is that a 777 because the 1's a 7, guy? So you have a 40 going around a 777. And when that 40 links up with a 76 and a 235 through a singularity, you get 351. Now, an eddy current, when you're in a boat with an oar and you're paddling, you know those little like whirlpools you create with your oars? Those are called like eddy currents, okay? And they're never going to be lined up in the middle. They're always going to be off to the side, a left or a right. Depends on which paddle it is, I guess. Okay, just like a black hole sucks everything in. This is what the free energy machine does for the current, at least, okay? It'll be, if you could put this all behind a big ferrocell box and watch it while it's operating with 14 axles going, I'm sure you would see something more amazing than the Aurora Borealis. You'll be seeing lines of light being sucked into this, into the center. And out of it would be a bunch of wires that go to your devices that power your shit. Okay? It's a black hole. Okay, IHS, the intent in the Holy Spirit. Okay? Literally, guy. Literally. And it gets better. Because if this is a 40, if 10 plus 13 plus 1 plus 6 plus 5 plus 5 is 40, what's 40 plus 14? 54. What's 54? QRS. What's QRS? Current, voltage, power. That's what QRS means. P is equal to VI. Okay? There's your Armageddon code between QRS, TUV from a certain point of view if you count for the circle that goes across both of them. Okay, look at this guy. What's really interesting as well is your 50, okay, your 54, okay? Your 54 is your 40 plus your 14. That would be all this, but it's all on a different, like, you know, all this. But that's not really what I'm talking about. Remember, 76 plus 40, okay, plus 235 is 351. 76, where's 76? Look, 47 plus 28 is 75. Circle it, plus 1. Come on, guy. So, come on, guy. This is not synchronistic. This is not a coincidence. This is truth, okay? This is, like, seriously, guy. This Armageddon. Okay? If you can envision this, with this line and this line where the pillars meet, that means from end to end of the pillars Armageddon, which means when it's tilted to make this V, that means all of this is Armageddon. You have to make the V, and then you have to make the X, because you have to understand that you're the 777. And this is Armageddon. If someone asks you if you're a god, you say yes! Ghostbusters. General Grievous has 2 arms to create 6. 40, 54, 351. Cheers.